In food production, precision is everything. Texture, consistency, temperature control, every parameter determines the quality of the finished sauce. When we were developing the USB 5 reactor units, we wanted to give technologists a tool that works predictably. The system must deliver the same result in every cycle, and that's exactly what it does. USB 5 is not just a mixer, it's a controlled reactor unit.
Sauces and marinades are complex emulsions that require process discipline. Every ingredient must be integrated at the right angle, at the right speed, and at the right temperature. USB 5 allows you to control these variables with laboratory-level precision, but on an industrial scale. That's why it's chosen by premium product manufacturers. For them, it's not just speed that matters, but also consistency.
When we started working with food companies, it became clear that USB 5 fits perfectly into their technologies. High-speed dispersion creates a structure that doesn't separate, and a 5 to 10 minute cycle is a real advantage for high-throughput production. I can see how clients' approaches are changing. They're moving towards flexible, compact systems. That's exactly what USB 5 is about.
In the food industry, every recipe is a world of its own. Some sauces are thick and viscous, while others are delicate and light. The USB 5 unit allows you to work with both types without any loss of quality. It creates a highly dispersed emulsion with extremely fine particles. Thanks to this, the sauce maintains its structure even after long logistics.
During testing, we always simulate the client's real conditions: temperature, viscosity, loading order. USB 5 must deliver stable results in any scenario. We can see how emulsion structures form literally within minutes. This is different from standard mixers, where quality depends on the human factor. Here, the process is fully controlled and repeatable.
Our clients work in different countries with varying food safety requirements. USB 5 fully complies with international standards and easily integrates into various production schemes. For exporters, this is critical because the quality must be consistent in every batch. From ketchup to meat marinades, the system handles everything. It is this versatility that makes it so attractive.
I like that the USB 5 gives technologists freedom. You can change the recipe, scale, or operating mode, and the result remains predictable. Real-time temperature control helps create the flavor exactly as intended. And the cycle speed allows you to maintain high productivity even without a large production line. This is a modern approach to food production.
From a project management perspective, the USB 5 is very easy to implement. It does not require complex infrastructure, and the interface is intuitively clear. A technologist can adapt the unit to their product literally in a matter of minutes. Flexibility is one of the key reasons why the USB 5 pays for itself so quickly.
Many people think that sauces require huge production lines, but today the trend is different: compact reactor systems that can be moved, scaled, and combined. The USB 5 unit produces a premium quality product even in small batches. For restaurants, workshops, and small manufacturers, this is the ideal solution. They gain control over every stage of production.
When we talk to clients, they all want one thing: consistency, so that the taste doesn't change, the color is uniform, and the texture is smooth. USB 5 delivers exactly that. And regardless of whether it's spicy sauces or sweet marinades, the result is consistent batch after batch.
We test every unit before shipping. This guarantees that the client receives not just equipment, but a working solution. I see how the USB 5 unit is changing the approach to sauce production, making the process faster, cleaner, and more manageable. This is important both for a growing business and for someone just starting out.
GlobeCore works with different countries and markets, and we can clearly see how quickly the demand for the sauces and marinades segment is growing. Companies are looking for equipment that delivers predictable results and does not create unnecessary complexity. The USB 5 units fully meet these criteria. They give the manufacturer confidence in the product, and confidence is where success begins.